Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by signing into Chrome and enabling sync so settings and passwords follow you. This saves time when you switch devices. Once done, install Google Drive for desktop and choose Stream or Mirror. Stream saves space, Mirror keeps local copies. Make sure you add the same account to Docs, Sheets, Slides so permissions align. As you complete sign-in, check that sync shows green, then move immediately to organize your Drive folders for quick access. Now configure offline access so you can edit Docs, Sheets, Slides without internet. Enable offline in Drive settings and let files sync. Next, install helpful extensions. Docs offline and Drive shortcuts streamline creation from the browser. Once installed, open Drive for desktop preferences and choose selective sync or bandwidth limits to prevent slow uploads. This keeps your laptop responsive. Also link shared drives and finish by creating shortcuts for Docs, Sheets, Slides on your desktop or taskbar so you launch work instantly. This speeds workflow. Then set backup rules, add desktop, documents, and photos to Drive backups and confirm available storage. Make sure shared folders have correct access levels before finalizing. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Sign out of Chrome and Drive, clear browser cache, then sign back in. If sync still fails, reinstall Drive for desktop to reset connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.